So it's Tuesday, September 5th. I'm still alive. For the 6 people that witnessed Sunday night, didn't do a whole lot in the yard today, but I did do an herbicide application, and I figure I'd give you all a brief little walk through the backyard since you saw some of the front. Here we go. Okay, so here's the state of the backyard after the ruckus that was caused Sunday night. Little localized dry spot came in, mixed with my previous herbicide, and so it's looking a little rough through here, and especially right over here. It's slowly coming back to life, but I'm not too really concerned about it. It'll get there, if not this next couple weeks, next year. And that continues all along there. I know what caused that, my perimeter spray. And then I overlapped way too much. You probably see some discoloration, not the dying stuff, but the little darker spots. That's where I spot sprayed for some goose tonight. This is slowly getting killed off here. Got to finish chopping that guy down. Here's where I'm not mowing short, and it doesn't look too terribly bad. But all this is going to be real mowed here in the coming weeks. Getting some more weed pressure here in the bed. There's what's left of my flamingos. This bit here, up into here, all around in there, pretty much all through there, and back through there was just, it was 100% crabgrass in June. Through subsequent applications of herbicide, it's slowly gone away, slowly filled in. So again, I'm not concerned about it this season. I kind of expected that much. Next year, it'll be perfect. And then about the same thing back in here, a little bit of too much herbicide and unfinished projects. And the same for over here. That and the lack of water. I don't have irrigation, and my little sprinkler guy, come to find out, looked like he was hitting that area but wasn't. So there we have it. There's the majority of my backyard. All in all, it's seen better days earlier this year. But for where it's at, trying to eliminate the goose, which was really rampant in through here and all in through here, and the fact that there's always kids playing, pretty much since day 28 after seeding, I say it did a pretty good job. And with that, you all have a fantastic evening.